Hey guys, we're going to show you how to refund on Pandabuy. So first up here, all you need to do is open up your Pandabuy account. So you just need to sign in your account and go here on this website. You can actually shop here by using this search box and you need to type here the products that you want to buy. So once you've done that one, you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on this order. And from here, it will show you all your processing orders on Pandabuy. So you just wait for a few seconds here and you will find the product that I want to buy here. Now, if you want to cancel your order or get a refund, you just need to go here and you will find a cancel order button. So once you click on that cancel order button here, you'll find a message shows up saying that your money will be refunded. So yeah, that's how you basically get a refund on Pandabuy. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.